हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आप सभी का। तो आज हम शुरू करने जा रहा हूँ हमारा थ्योरी ऑफ रियल एनालिसिस का लेक्चर नंबर 4। और लेक्चर नंबर 4 में हम डिस्कस क्या करने जा रहा हूँ, ये देखिए। आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहा हूँ कुछ प्रॉब्लम। वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व सम प्रॉब्लम। ओके, सम प्रॉब्लम लाइक you have to show that question is this, so that limit x tends to c is equal to c. How can you show that limit of the function x when x tends to c is equal to c? That means you have to find, right? Okay, what is the function here? यहाँ पे function कौन सा है? देखो फंक्शन कौन सा है? सॉल्यूशन। ओके, सॉल्यूशन। here f of x is equal to x. What is the function here? The function is x. Okay, f of x is equal to x. This is the identity function. Okay, so now अभी यहाँ देखिए, we have to find the value of the function f of x in the neighborhood of the point c. X tends to c, this means x not is equal to c. When x approaches to c, what will be the value of the function f of x? When x approaches to c, to where the function f of x approaches, we have to find the value of the function f of x is equal to x in the neighborhood of c. So let's start. Here according to the epsilon delta definition, we have to first assume some epsilon which is greater than 0. Let एप्सिलॉन ग्रेटर देन 0। अगर आप इस चैनल में नए हैं तो चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल को प्रेस कर दीजिए। उसके बाद जो वीडियो मैंने थ्योरी ऑफ रियल एंड फंक्शन में मैंने बनाया है, लेक्चर नंबर 1, लेक्चर नंबर 2, लेक्चर नंबर 3, वो आप लोग देख लीजिए। तभी आपको इस प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन जो है ना वो समझ में आएगा। हम क्या करने जा रहा हूँ, अभी हम एक एप्सिलॉन ग्रेटर देन 0 which is arbitrary epsilon we are going to take, because we have learned in the lecture number 1, lecture number 2, lecture number 3 what is limit point, what is limit, and how to solve the limit of this function x at x equal to c is c. So first watch my previous video and then come to this video. Okay, let epsilon greater than 0 is any arbitrary number, is any arbitrary number. Okay, now for any epsilon get याद कीजिए, थ्योरम को याद कीजिए, वो लिमिट का डेफिनेशन को याद कीजिए। फॉर एनी एप्सिलॉन ग्रेटर देन 0 there exists delta greater than 0 such that if modulus of x minus c, for any epsilon greater than 0 there exists delta greater than 0 such that if modulus of x minus c less than modulus of x minus c less than delta greater than 0, then modulus of f of x minus modulus of f of x minus L less than epsilon, then we call capital L is the limit of this function f of x. Okay, here what is L? L is equal to L, f of x is equal to x, and L is equal to, here L is equal to, what is the limit? That is c. Okay, and this is f of x minus L. और अभी हम इसको लिखूंगा। फॉर एनी एप्सिलॉन ग्रेटर देन 0, एप्सिलॉन ग्रेटर देन 0 इज आर्बिट्रेरी नंबर। modulus of f of x minus L, we will find the value of this modulus of f of x minus L is equal to modulus of, what is f of x? f of x is equal to x minus what is L? L is equal to C modulus of x minus C. Modulus of x minus C. Okay, modulus of x minus C. This is the value of this equal to modulus of f of x minus L is equal to modulus of x minus C. And now for this epsilon we choose CHOOS. We choose, or we can write assume. We choose. Let epsilon greater than 0. We choose delta. For this epsilon, we are choosing delta of epsilon. That is delta. We can write delta, which is depending on epsilon. Okay, we choose delta. Delta is equal to epsilon. If you give me epsilon is equal to 5, then delta is equal to 5. If epsilon is equal to 0.0001, then delta also 0.0001. Okay, like that. We choose delta is equal to epsilon. Then if modulus of this, modulus of x minus c less than delta greater than 0, if this condition holds, then what happens? Then this is modulus of f of x minus L. That means x minus c. We can write f of x minus c also. Okay, so modulus of f of x minus L. That means what is modulus of f of x minus L? This is equal to modulus of f of x minus, और L क्या है? L जो है ना वो c है. F of x minus c. This is equal to, and what is this is equal to? X minus c. F of x is equal to x, c is equal to c. F of x is equal to x minus c, and this is less than modulus of x minus c less than delta. Yes, modulus of x minus c less than delta. Okay, we can write here since if modulus of x minus c less than delta, then this is equal to this is फिर x minus c, modulus of x minus c, modulus of x minus c less than delta. You can write here delta, and what we know, delta is equal to epsilon, so we do not write here delta. This is equal to epsilon because delta is same as epsilon. Okay, if modulus of x minus c less than delta, then f of x minus L, this is equal to less than epsilon. Why? Modulus of x minus c less than delta, but delta is equal to epsilon. So in the delta के जगह में हमने epsilon को put कर दिया. तो ये हुआ delta epsilon की बात. So if this, then this. For any epsilon, there exists delta. We can choose delta. That means there exists delta, which is equal to epsilon, such that if modulus of x minus c less than delta greater than 0, then f of x minus L, then modulus of f of x, we can write here modulus of f of x minus c. So this is equal to this. So this is less than delta, this modulus of f of x minus c less than epsilon. Then what we can say? Then according to the definition of limit, if then this, so limit of f of x tends to c is equal to, what is this? This is L, f of x minus L. So less than epsilon, this is the L limit. But in the L के जगह में यहाँ पे c है. Okay, limit f of x minus L, this is equal to c. So we have proved the limit, and what we can write here? We can write here limit in the place of f of x. F of x is equal to x. So limit x tends to c is equal to c. So this is the solution of this problem. इसके बाद हम फिर से और भी एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने जा रहा हूँ, वो भी आप देख लीजिए। इस प्रॉब्लम को ऐसे सॉल्व करते हैं, एक यूजिंग एप्सिलॉन डेल्टा। दिस इज़ ए वेरी इजीएस्ट प्रॉब्लम। ओके, ये बहुत आसान प्रॉब्लम है। अगर फिर से जो हम इसके बाद जो प्रॉब्लम करेंगे, इसके बाद इससे ज़्यादा टफ लूँगा, उसके बाद उससे भी ज़्यादा टफ प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने जा रहा हूँ। ऐसे ही हमें धीरे धीरे से चलते रहेगा, वीडियो बनाते रहेगा और आप देखते रहेंगे। तो इसलिए आज के लिए इतना ही है। बाय। आप देखते